So let's begin with these pens. So let me select, I select a red pen and start writing. I can just start writing whatever I feel like. So let's welcome my students and write hello. And I can choose whichever pen I like. Alright. And now this option, pan and zoom. This is a really nice feature. If you want to elaborate any particular thing, then this allows you to pan. You can move this text anywhere by selecting this. By clicking on this, you can move this object anywhere on the screen, and then you can just zoom it by rolling your mouse, and zoom in and zoom out by rolling your mouse up and down. Alright, so here you can see I'm moving this text and I'm zooming in and I'm zooming out using this pan and zoom option. So I can move it with this option. I can move it to any place on the board, and then I can zoom it using my mouse if I want to highlight any particular thing. If you are displaying any diagram, if you are drawn any diagram, then you can just zoom it and zoom out. Alright, and you can delete that particular item if you want to. So when you click on this option, it gives you multiple tasks you can do with your particular text. Alright, you can choose your pens here, and this is the eraser. Obviously, you just need to click on this and it will delete everything. Now this is if you are not comfortable with these pens, then you can just start writing in the text box. So just say hello everyone. So you can start writing with this. So again, same option is available with this also. You can move this text anywhere on the screen. Alright. And you can again zoom it and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out using this option. Alright, you can delete this using this if you want to clear your board. Again, you can now add a note to your particular, like let's say if you have just started your class and you want to keep an idea of what topics you need to cover, then you can just write down that first topic would be introduction, the next would be its applications, and whatever you are discussing. So you can just create a note so that you have an idea that what you are going to teach today. You can just zoom in and zoom out and keep it at any place where you want to keep it visible. Alright, so this board is a really good tool. That is, and the most important thing is that you do not have to import it from anywhere else. It is already built in the meeting itself. You just need to start sharing your screen and use your whiteboard effectively and start teaching efficiently in your class. Alright, so this is the general board and you can use it. Now, if you are done with this content and you want to save this particular board for today, that whatever you have taught, and you want to keep it as an reminder that these things have been done in my class, then you can obviously import this particular board as an image. So you can export it as a PNG image, and here you can see this image has been downloaded, whiteboard.png. Alright, so you can save as many instances of this whiteboard by just clicking on the settings button. You can click on the settings button and export the image, that particular. So whatever you have written on that board will be downloaded, and that will be saved as a PNG image. So you can refer it later or you can share it with your students. So here you can see this is the image of the whiteboard that we have just now created. Alright, so this is really a nice tool to have in your meeting. Okay, so now let's stop presenting. So this was the share option. It provides another InVision free handboard, so you need to sign up for that also. If you want extended functionality, then you can always include the freehand InVision whiteboard. It has more edit functionality, so you can sign up there and start using this board also with extended functionality. Alright, so this was all about the share option. Now let us look at the rest of the remaining features of this meeting.